Hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on beginning sounds. I have two letters here. Do you see these letters? Do you remember the name of this letter? It's the letter of the week. That is the letter T. T makes the t, t, t sound. Can you make that sound? What letter is this one? S. S makes this sound. S. Did you make that sound as well? Good job. Now I'm going to show you two things that you're able to find in your home. Are you ready? There you go. Do you know what this is and what this is? This is a spoon and this is a toothbrush. Do you know which letter goes with which object? Toothbrush and spoon. So which should I move? Should I move this one here or should I move it here? No. Toothbrush. T. Spoon. This is a word that begins with the letter S. And this is a word that begins with the letter T. Now I'm going to add some more things. I have a cup and I have a pencil. I'm going to add some more letters. Cup, k, k. Which one belongs with the cup? Which letter belongs with the pencil? This is a C and this is a P. P, k. Pencil is with a P. You are right. And cup is with a C. Are you ready for another one? Whoops. I wonder what that is. I saw that I added money and I added an apple. And I'm going to add one more to make this extra tough. Do you know what this is called? Yes, that's a fork. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add another letter. This is the letter F. This is the letter M. And what's that letter? A. F makes the F sound. M makes the sound. A can make an A sound or an A sound. All right, now. Apple. What letter goes with apple? Did you say A? Great job. Now I have fork, like Friday, and friend. Which letter makes the F sound? Is it letter F or letter M? I think you know it's the letter F. Next, I have some money. Money begins with the letter M, like Michelle, and Mark, and magnificent. All of these words begin with different sounds. Can you choose one letter and tell your mommy or your daddy or your brother or your sister or someone in your house something that begins with that letter? Maybe you can find something in your house that begins with this letter. The letter is S. Maybe you have a sofa or you wash your hands with some soap. Choose another letter and see what you can find in your house that begins with that letter. Have a great day. This is an activity that you can do any time of the day. You don't need to have written letters necessarily. You could just talk about them and then find things. It's a fun way to practice beginning sounds of words.